Ladders for long reaches are generally the straight wooden type. Framed wooden or aluminium platforms are also available. If the ladder is to the common straight type, one must observe the following safety precautions while using them. Inspect the ladder for cracks before leaning it against the wall. Place the ladder base on a firm, level ground at a measured distance, that is 1/4 the distance from the wall. Get on and off the ladder by stepping on the center of the rung. Use both hands to grip the rails. If the ladder wobbles, back down and reposition it. Keep your hips between the ladder rails. Do not lean out to reach an area. Instead, reposition the ladder. Make sure that only one person stands on the ladder at a time. Do not stand on the top two rungs. Pull materials up a ladder with a rope and have a place to store them at the top.